Yes, that's right. Just installed my 1950 standard one-piece. I've been wanting to do something a little different in the bathroom for a long time, so this is one of my favorite toilets in my collection. Still running the original seat. Don't mind that, just a little toilet paper in there from wiping some water off of it. And a full shot like that, kind of a strange shaped seat. Just barely make out. It's got the standard logo on there. Standard church seat. Yeah, standard one-piece church seat. So that's a pretty cool piece. I'm just going to be very careful with it. And some of the paint is kind of starting to chip. Anyways, we'll give it a flush real quick and then take a look inside. So far I've had no issues with it on normal use. It's got a good strong flush. I cleaned some minerals out of the rim jets. Pause real quick and take a look inside the tank. So it's certainly not perfect. I haven't done like a full restoration on this toilet, but it's a little bit better than when you guys last saw it, I'm sure. Still got this replacement handle, which works for now. The original flush mechanism, which is not perfectly watertight, unfortunately, it does a very slow leak into the bowl, so it has to refill every once in a while. And then this is the fill valve out of my Lamosa. It's not the fastest thing, but it's nice and quiet. I've got it filling right up to the water line. Nice built-in overflow system. Oh, and I got all 4 of the original pink porcelain bolt caps on it, which is very nice. This thing will be a little harder to keep clean just because of this kind of step pattern that it's got, but that's alright. Maybe I'll give a tank view of this thing in action and then we'll move over to the flush. That'll be it. But yeah, overall I really like it. And matches my wallpaper fairly well. There's a lot of different colors on the wallpaper, but I think pink looks really good in here, and I'll install a pink sink at some point. Maybe I'll install my pink cadet someday, or find a different pink toilet, because I don't want to use this thing in here forever. But it'll work for now. There's that in action. The water just flows in from the sides. I hope you all enjoy, and see you in the next video.